This series is part of a national initiative to introduce gerontology, the science of aging, as a core subject in Indian universities. It aims to prepare society for the upcoming elder boom while generating meaningful careers in eldercare, technology, and holistic well-being. Because aging isn't just a biological journey, it's a national responsibility and a future-ready opportunity. Episode 6. The Future of Aging Technology, AI and Robotics in Eldercare. In a quiet room in Tokyo, a 90-year-old woman smiles at her companion. He never ages, never sleeps, and speaks her name with gentle care. But he isn't human. He's a robot. A companion robot named Paro, designed to comfort the elderly, to respond to touch, to listen patiently, and to never ever walk away. This is not science fiction. This is already the present, and it is the opening scene of our future. Welcome to the era of Gerontechnology, where aging meets artificial intelligence, where compassion meets code, and where the dignity of our elders depends on the ethics of our machines. Every second, 2 people in the world turn 60. By 2050, the world will have 2.1 billion senior citizens. India alone will have over 300 million, more than the entire population of the United States. Yet we are unprepared. We do not have enough caregivers. We do not have enough geriatricians. And worst of all, we do not have enough time. But technology does. Artificial intelligence does not get tired. Robotic arms do not shake. Digital monitors do not forget. From remote health monitoring to smart homes with fall detection to AI that detects depression from a voice, the future is arriving just in time. Imagine if your thoughts could control a wheelchair, if your neural signals could type text without a keyboard, if paralysis could be bypassed through technology. Welcome to Brain-Machine Interfaces, or BMI. Neuralink, developed by Elon Musk, has already demonstrated a monkey playing video games, using only its brain. For elders who cannot speak or move, BMIs could offer a new life of agency, communication, and dignity. In the future, we may see memory augmentation devices that help fight Alzheimer's by storing key memories, or retinal implants that restore vision. But as our brains and machines start to merge, we must also ask, who controls the signals? Who guards the brain? If an AI caregiver forgets to give medicine, who is responsible? If a robot speaks insensitively to a depressed patient, who is held accountable? And if an elder forms an emotional bond with a machine, is that companionship or illusion? As we program AI to care for the vulnerable, we must build ethical systems that include human oversight, data privacy for health records, transparent algorithms, and dignity-centered design. Because elder care is not just a technical challenge, it is a moral one. India is home to over 140 million senior citizens. By the year 2050, we will have the world's second-largest elder population. And yet, this is our opportunity. With our youthful tech talent, our deep family culture, and a growing AI startup ecosystem, India can build the world's most compassionate aging tech hub. From low-cost wearables to Hindi-speaking AI assistants to rural telehealth robots, our solutions must be frugal, local, and human. We must invest in Gerontechnology parks, where startups, universities, and government collaborate to build the future of aging right here on Indian soil. The future belongs to those who understand the old. Young Indians can now build careers as AI designers for eldercare devices, robotics engineers for senior support, virtual companion developers, health data ethicists, neurotech trainers, and aging-in-place architects. Imagine that. Imagine a 22-year-old engineer building a device that prevents a 72-year-old from falling. That is Dharma in action. That is national service through innovation. Long before robots, long before AI, the Vedas spoke of yantras, divine machines of consciousness. The Rig Veda describes the mind as a chakra, a rotating field of intelligence that interacts with the unseen. Neuroscience now tells us the same. The brain is electromagnetic, fluid, responsive, and capable of bonding with machines through intent. When AI meets Vedic wisdom, we learn to build technology not as a tool, but as an extension of consciousness. In this future, robots will not just follow commands, They will be trained to mirror human aura, to listen to emotional wavelengths, and to respect the spirit of life itself. We stand at a crossroads in human history. One road leads to isolation, loneliness, and machines without morals. The other, to compassionate innovation, to dignity through design, to a world where aging is not a decline, but a different dimension of life. If we teach our young to code with heart, to design with empathy, and to serve with science, we will create a nation that does not fear age, but celebrates it. Professor Diaries is building the world's first integrated educational ecosystem, combining artificial intelligence, spiritual consciousness, and aging technologies. Join the movement to make gerontology a national subject. If you believe our elders deserve dignity, innovation, and companionship in their final chapters, comment below, "I stand for aging with dignity." Share this video with universities, innovators, and students. Like to support the mission. Subscribe to Professor Diaries for more such educational revolutions. Watch more at https://www.youtube.com/@prof.sing2025.